Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I want to talk to you about when the Horizon doesn't want to launch. So what is happening, that the game is failing to launch. You open it, no warning, no error message, it just doesn't launch at all. Many people are saying that it has to do something with the processor and that like everything is fine, but it's not just working and it doesn't have the AVX instructions. But what I personally think and what I think about it is that it needs a patch. Like the whole game needs a patch. You can go to settings, you can check your drivers, you can check everything in manage settings in control panel for Horizon, but it's not going to work. What you need to do is just wait. What I would recommend is refund the game and come 1 month later and then buy it and hope that it's going to be solved already, because I think it's going to be solved like until one month. So thank you very much everybody for watching. I know this was unhelpful. I just want to show you that I was looking for the solution right now. There isn't any, because this game is just like trash. Goodbye.